Did you know your personality can guide your career path? The Holland Code, or Realistic model, categorizes people into 6 types: realistic, investigative, artistic, social, enterprising, and conventional. Discover how these types can shape your future. The realistic type is perfect for hands-on individuals who love working with tools and machinery. If you enjoy solving practical problems and being outdoors, this might be your ideal career path. Let's explore further. Realistic careers include electricians, carpenters, and firefighters. These roles require technical skills and a knack for problem solving. They offer the satisfaction of tangible results and the thrill of hands-on work. To succeed in these fields, you'll need specific skills and traits. Physical stamina, mechanical aptitude, and attention to detail are crucial. Educational pathways like apprenticeships and certifications pave the way to success. Meet Alex, who transitioned from a mechanic to an aviation technician. His realistic investigative profile led him to pursue an associate's degree in aviation maintenance. Now, he thrives in a career that combines mechanics and technology. Bill's journey from landscape worker to business owner showcases the realistic enterprising profile. He started his own landscape design company, managing crews and expanding her services. His story is a testament to the power of ambition. Begin your career journey with the Career Fit Test to identify your Holland Code. Explore career matches and build a skills map. This is your first step towards a fulfilling career that aligns with your strengths. Create a career plan with SMART goals and develop job-ready tools. By taking these steps, you'll be well on your way to a career that not only matches your skills, but also energizes and fulfills you.